Welcome to real-time in Kung Fu class. Today lesson, the monkey Kung Fu for beginners, 5 techniques for defense and attack. Let's go. Monkey is smart, fast, agile, but also deadly dangerous. The first basic is simple but very useful. The quick way for attacking for a monkey is fast. You got and a kick. And that's it. That's a very effective way. So let's do 30 seconds with me. Poke, bend your knee, and kick. Lean your body a little bit back. Let's go. Sort of should be relaxed and like a swimmer and relax, and then you both the power is out of the fingertips. Boom, relax, right? And then your body lean back and you gotta go kick with the feet work. You have to move like a monkey. You can't go boom forward, tap, go attack. So once you kick after, you quick go down and be flat. You can switch your feet if you want. Depends the situation. Let's go to the next one. The monkey's feet the moves fast. You have to consistently to adjust your steps. So for this one, you make a small jump and go hand flat and attack. And you quick get back and to make a second and come back again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Now for basically 2 punch blocking, right? So and then quick go boom, poke the eye and quick get back and to make boom second. To the side way, quick go down and you quick get up at the same time, boom, make a snap kick the side way and quick go back this way. So let's go. 1 and 2 and come back. The quick note for number 3, when someone swing punch you, you go boom, jump low under the punch, and you go hook, attack the side way, broken the bone. Let's go to the next one. The basics of 4 we have to do on floor, and follow me now. First, you put your both hand on the floor, and you gotta twist to make sure you're flat with your left knee on the floor, so you can sweep the target. And after you quick bend your right knee, there you go, kick. And after that, you go sweep and lift your right and left go up, and you get up quick and you got to punch. Let's do 1 minute with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the basics number 5. One of my favorites, the basics. It's a little technical, but also very fun. So follow me. You get ready. Your left hand on the floor, and you make this left leg flat like this. And then you make a front sweep. You target in front of you. At the same time, you push your left hand to make a rotation with your butt. Okay, see this. So you go this, and you push like that. And then you make a flat kick. You both kick, boom, to another 2 legs. Make them fall. Sometimes you just rotate in different direction. You can go side kick, up kick, low kick. Really, it's up to you. It's a way to training. So follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Follow me the tutorial step by step of the most fun and effective monkey kung fu style. You take a small jump and you stay low, cross your both hands, and you make a snap kick sideway and you landing. And after you make blocking your both hand and jump to attack. And quick get back and you lift, make a side kick. As soon you landing, you go poke the eye and heel kick. As soon you're landing, you both hand to on the floor, your leg flat and flat, you go sweep and kick again, cross to sweep, got your right and your left, and punch. After that, we connect front sweep, your left hand down, your left leg to be flat, and to make a spinning and double kick. Same thing, kick right, kick left, and get up and punch. And finish. So follow me with a slow speed to medium and to fast speed to achieve monkey kung fu style. For beginner, let's go. Jump. 1, stay low. 2, kick. Landing. 1, 2, and attack. Quick comeback. Set kick. Poke the eye, heel kick, back sweep, kick, cross leg, trip, get up and punch, and front sweep and kick, cross and punch. Let's go. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, Life is just like how you train in Kung Fu. So focus on the little details, the little thing to make a perfection and put them together. You get bigger result, bigger achievement. How about you do this daily, weekly, and monthly? But your time, you have a meaningful success life. Why not? So keep training hard, my friend. So see you next video. Thank you and bye bye.